May I ask Dr. Putla Srinivas Garu and Prabhu Kumar Garu to honor GVS Murthy Garu. May I ask Dr. Murthy Garu matladtara first?
Very much from one Murthy to the other, because both of us have Murthy as part of the name. Thanks for calling us over here, and I think you're doing a great service in terms of the recognition. I'll just put two things together. The person on whom you're giving the awards and healthcare in general. So if you look at being healthy or maintaining our health, it's more like a tri-party agreement. So on one side you have the healthcare providers, which is very, very important. The second is the civil society, which includes the families, because you can't be healthy without the family supporting you. And the third, of course, is the political dispensation. And political dispensations can actually make a big difference to the health discourse. So unless all three get together, we can't remain healthy. And if you look at all of us sitting here today, having gone through the travails of the COVID era, we are here because all these three parties have worked together. But perhaps more onus on the healthcare providers, and within the healthcare provider community, Dr. Murthy Garu, is the fact that 30% are direct medical care givers, that is the doctors, but 70% are the other healthcare personnel. And I think in terms of recognition, it is important to also remember that it's not just these 30% who are here, but also the remaining 70% who have contributed extensively to the state we are in. And looking at what Dr. Kalam would have thought about it, he wanted to bring healthcare as something which is inclusive and integrated. And he wanted the tablets that were created for health workers so that all the ANMs, the ASHAs in the field could actually contact the medical providers directly to provide the service. So he would have been very happy if we look at this joint partnership coming to the fore. If you look at what Dr. Kalam did, and a lot of you may not know, Dr. Kalam has 5 citations in PubMed Index Medicus. And I don't think there's been any other president in the country who has 5 citations. And all these citations are excellent discourses that he has given at national conferences of various medical professional bodies. And some of the sort of taglines that he chooses are absolutely tremendous. So when he was at the nursing conference, his tagline was, "Let my care remove your pain." What can be more poignant than a statement like that for a nursing care personnel? When he went to the pediatric conference, he said, "Child care is a heavenly mission." This was at the Indian Academy of Pediatrics. His biggest love was eye care, and I belong to the eye care fraternity, been in public health eye care for such a long time, nearly 4 decades now. So his tagline there was, when you're looking at eye care, and we all talk about avoidable blindness, but his tagline was something which encompassed everything. Complete vision is the mission. So with these sort of statements, Dr. Kalam always used to bring healthcare to the fore and also bring in technology to support the frontline workers to connect very well and provide that last mile connectivity. And I think we need to remember him and honor him using the thoughts that he has set for all of us. Eye care was a passion for him. The LV Prasad Eye Hospital's Bhubaneswar campus, he inaugurated that. was very close to Dr. Venkat Swami of Arvind Eye Care, and he inaugurated the Puducherry campus of Arvind, being personally present there. And he always used to discuss things like stem cell therapy and how it should become a reality in India with LV Prasad, with Arvind, and all the other eye care providers, just like any other healthcare provider. So I think you're doing a great service to the nation by honoring him and giving the awards in his name. Thank you for the opportunity.